Good morning, and welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is an Inspiremercial for STEM students. STEM students, I'm Dr. Gena Henderson, and I would like to talk to you about commuting time. How do I use my commuting time here as I travel to work every day? It's about an hour commute, and I use that time to prepare myself for my day. Um, there's so many different aspects to my job, and it all comes about with being a leader. And so when you are a leader, there are some times that you're going to need some quiet time. You're going to need some time to just think about what your next move is going to be, think about different strategies, think about what's going to be the topic for Going to Work with Gena, because it is an impromptu thing that the topic is given to me each morning. So I just want to say that in that commute time, I prepare my thoughts to be able to go forth and do my job. And so I love what I do, so I make time for it. So within that hour that I have every day, I take that time for myself. And this is the 1 hour that I have totally to myself. I mean, I am a wife, a mom, a sister, a daughter, an aunt, a friend, and someone's supervisor. So I take this time to make sure that I can do all of those things at any given time and wear those different hats. And sometimes to do all of those, to carry on all those roles simultaneously, you have to really be in a good place. So for me, it takes a lot of prayer. And so for me, my commute is about consecration, making sure that I am unbiased, making sure I put forth good judgment. And then I love at the end of my day, because the end of my day is my winding down time. This means that I don't take anything that's actually happened here in the office home, because in that hour, I have an hour to make sure that I can expel all of those things that bothered me during the day, or I think of different strategies that I could actually use to make sure that I can handle the next day. So STEM students, you have a commute time also. What are you doing in your commute time? Are you doing something to help others? You should be doing something to help others, to think about others, to think about your next move. So those are some of the things that you should be doing within your commute also. So I want to thank you for going to Work with Gena. If there's any other infomercials that you've missed, please make sure that you take the time to set aside at least 20 minutes a day. I remember when I had my kids in kindergarten and early learning stages, elementary, I would read to them for 20 minutes of a day. So what I want to say is give yourself at least 20 minutes of the day that you do nothing but think about your vision and where you're going and how you're going to get there. For 20 minutes a day, 20 minutes of your time, totally just you by yourself, no one but you. And take advantage of that commute time also. Don't always be so eager to get in a conversation with your friends, okay? I want to thank you for going to Work with Gena this morning. Have a wonderful day.